Good morning, dear students. Welcome to PN Amarsi e-learning classes. Our today's topic is about magnetic and non-magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials and non-magnetic materials? Magnetic materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called as magnetic materials. For example, iron, steel, nickel, cobalt. And what are non-magnetic materials? Non-magnetic materials are not attracted towards a magnet are called as non-magnetic materials. For example, wood, stainless steel, plastic, glass, cloth, rubber, etc. Some of the objects that are made of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt that are attracted by magnets. In the slides you can see and observe what are the objects made of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Let us understand some questions. Materials which are attracted by magnets are called as magnetic materials. Which of the following substance will not be attracted by magnet? Iron nail, steel spoon, paper, safety pin. The correct answer is paper that will not get attracted by magnet. A tailor was stitching buttons on his shirt. The needle has slipped from his hand onto the floor. Can you help the tailor to find the needle? Yes, we can help the tailor to find the needle by a bar magnet. Activity 2 is about to know what the material that gets attracted by a magnet are made up of. Things, materials we required: walking stick, small magnet, adhesive tape, gum, materials that are to be tested. Procedure: fix a small magnet at the end of a walking stick with the help of tape or glue. Let us now go out on a Magnus walk through the school playground. Try to pick up small things in the playground with the Magnus stick. Collect various objects of day to day use from your surroundings. Test this with the Magnus stick. Now, note down your observations in the table 13.1. Now, if we see table 13.1, finding the objects attracted by magnet. First, the object has been taken iron ball. Yes, iron is get attracted by magnets. Second one is scale, that is of plastic, so it won't get attracted by magnet. Third one is shoe, that is made up of leather, that's why it not get attracted by magnet. Iron nail, it is an iron, that means it gets attracted by a magnet. Thread, it is made up of cotton, so it won't get attracted by magnet. So dear students, what conclusion we get from this activity? That some objects get attracted to the magnet and some objects do not get attracted. Activity 3. Whether a soil sample is magnetic or not. Rub a magnet in the sand or soil. Through such an activity, we can find out whether the soil or sand from a given place contains particles that have iron or not. So, what materials we need? Sand or soil, magnet. What should we do? Rub a magnet in the sand or soil. Pull out the magnet. Gently shake the magnet to remove the particles of sand or soil. Still, do some particles appear stuck on the magnet? What do we observe from this? We observe that iron particles appear stuck on the magnet. So, sand or soil contains iron filings. Through such an activity, we can find out whether the soil or sand from a given place contains particles that have iron. Try this activity near your home, school, or the places you visit on your holidays. Does the magnet with iron filings sticking to it? look like any one of these shown in the figure 13.6? Now 13.2, magnet rubbed in sand. How many iron fillings? This table, dear students, you have to do it at home. If you fill this table and send it to Paheli and Bhujo, they can compare the amount of iron fillings found in soil from different parts of the country. They can share this information with you. Thank you, dear students.